Hi, first grade. It is Tuesday, May 26th, and we're going to count by ones from 81 to 90 for number 1 on our paper. Number 2 says circle half a dozen. 1 dozen equals 12 items, and half a dozen equals 6. Excuse me. Number 3 says circle the number that is greatest. Underline the number that is least. When I look at these 3 numbers, they all have 100, so I'm going to look at the tens place. There's a 5, a 2, and a 6. So 161 is my greatest, and 129 is my least. Look at these 3 numbers down here to finish. Number 4 says write the Roman numerals. So we learned that when you have 3, you are going to write 3 I's, because an I equals 1, a V equals 5, and an X equals 10. So 10 is an X. When I get to 6, I put a V and an I so that it says 6. And when I get to 9, I can't have more than 3 I's together, so I put an I in front of the 10, like this, so it says 10 minus 1. Number 5 says write the sums and differences. We have 3 that have adding, and you need to watch for carrying. When you carry, I'm going to look at 8 plus 5. I know that's going to be more than 10, so I know I will have carrying here. When I look at this one at 6 plus 5, I know 5 plus 5 is 10, so this one will have carrying as well. I need to remember to add the carrying number in that I move over as I do it. On the back, it says speed round, write the sums and difference quickly. They want neatness, but you do not have to race. Do your best work. Number 2 is a story problem. It says Alex and his family plan to have a 2-week vacation. How many days will they be on vacation? 1 week is 7 days. So there are 2 weeks and 7 days in a week. So you can do 2 times 7 for your answer, or 7 plus 7 for your answer. These 3 answers will be the same. Number 3 is writing greater than, less than, or equal to. I wrote 1/4 here with a little picture, 1/3 here with a little picture, and 1/2 here with a little picture as you are comparing the fractions. Please note, first grade, that my 1/2 is greater than 1/3 and 1/4. My 1/3 is only greater than my 1/4. You have some numbers down here to also solve. A dime is worth 10 cents and a quarter is worth 25. Number 4 is very similar to what you did on number 2. 2 plus 2 means the same as 2 times 2. And their answers will be the same. 3 plus 3 means the same as 2 times 3, and their answers will be the same. 4 plus 4 and 4 times 4 will have the same answer. 4 plus 4 is 8. So 2 times 4 is saying 2 groups of 4. Here's my 1, 2 groups, and there's 4 in each group. And my answer would be the same. Number 5 has 2 steps. Circle the problems where 2-digit subtraction can be done. Then you write the differences. I can do 2-digit subtraction here because the 3 is bigger than the 2. I cannot do it here as the 9 is bigger than the 8. I could do it here because the 7 is greater than the 6. And this is what they mean. And you can do it here as well because the 4 and the 4 are the same number. So those are the three they would like you to circle, then they want you to solve. The next paper you have to do is your spelling words. This is not a test page, it is just a page to write your spelling words for practice. And then our last page is a star picture, and after you watch the video clip on the computer that you have, it says add star stickers to form the Little Dipper and the Big Dipper. Instead, I'm going to let you take a color pencil, a crayon, or a marker and color them in to make the shapes like this. And you will do the same down here on the bottom as well. All the stars will be colored on them. And then the only other thing, if you would like to do, is you can connect the star dots like this to show what the dipper looks like. And you work done with this page.